Hi, I'm Cheryl Graves, and I'm with Love Buds Cooking with Cannabis. Thanks for joining us in our test kitchen this morning. Today, we're going to be showing you how we infused alcohols, how we infused our can of teas, and how we're going to combine those and make some beautiful cocktails to serve to your guests. So this infused alcohol right here is 151 proof, mixed with cannabis and a vanilla bean. The next one we have here is whiskey, infused cherries with cannabis. And this one is 150 proof with orange peel and cannabis. And we're going to use these three infusions with these teas to create some beautiful drinks for you. Our first tea here obviously is an orange infused tea. It's a beautiful, delightful, light, fruity tea. Our red rosebud tea, which is our famous tea, it's so delicate. We use it a lot for our dessert parties. A good black tea, which is just yummy all the time, and a green tea, which is a standard for everybody. So now what we're going to do is we're going to combine these together and create a wonderful cocktail. And we're going to test them too, so beware after this. Who knows, we might go straight downhill. So we're going to add ice to each glass, slippery ice to each glass. And I'm going to grab a strainer so that we don't end up with a bunch of tea flakes in our cocktail. And we're going to start first. We're going to measure small because this is very strong. We're going to take 1 teaspoon of orange infused alcohol. Again, it's very strong. And then we're going to add a second. This is just minus a teaspoon. It's not a full teaspoon. We're going to add that. We're going to infuse with a little bit of orange tea. And I'm going to discard that. And then going to garnish, and we're going to leave that one right there, and we'll test that all at the same time. We're going to add cherry infused whiskey and cannabis. This one isn't as strong, so we're going to go just a little heavier on the pour on this one, and then we're going to add a couple of these delicious infused cherries. And then we're going to use red rose tea. This is how to get an alcoholic cocktail to turn into a health food, is using teas with it instead of the typical mixer. And then what we're going to do on the top of this one, which makes this one so unusual, is we're going to put a little sprig of saffron on the top of that. It's going to give it a really unique flavor. And there's that one, and we'll test them here in just a minute. This one should be very good. It is, again, a strong 151 proof with a vanilla extract. So it's pretty potent. We have to be more careful with this one because it does have an extract and also vanilla bean. 3 of that one in there. We'll make a nice green tea with this one. And then we're going to flavor this with a little bit of melon. And there's our 3 cocktails made from 2 different infusions. This is lovely to just make up and keep in your refrigerator at home, and you can use it for anything. You can use it instead of water for the health benefits. The alcohols, you might want to be a little more picky when you use those. So, bon appetit.